Hello guys and girls, in this video we're going to be looking at this beautiful big spoon, some kind of a utensil, whatever the formal name for it is, I don't know. Put it down in the comments below for me, I'll be sure to read. That's how it's looking. It is actually very beautiful. I really like it a lot. Very nice design on it, definitely something special, not everyday piece. Unfortunately, I do believe that this thing is plated. I don't think this is real silver, but we're going to check it out, we're going to test it and see what it is. Let me just check what it says on the back here. So we have 1847 Rogers Brothers, and then we have, there's a stamp. It looks like it's a man inside the circle with some dots or something like that. So there we go, that's what it says. Let's go ahead and start testing. I think I'll do a couple marks, do maybe the side, we'll do maybe the bottom here, and maybe we'll do the tail in the back there. All right, let's start. First mark. Oh wow, that's nice and soft. Very soft metal, however I do press pretty hard, just because I do want to see nice big mark. There we go. So that's what's this side here. Let's just do the bottom. I'm just gonna push it straight down. I can't see what's coming up there, but I hope it's gonna be something easily visible. Okay, so that's the bottom, just right there, this piece. Whoa. Look at the damage there. Look at that. That's a big damage. You can see a lot of times you could polish this. I can't even wipe it off with my finger. There you go. That's the damage from the scratch on the polished surface. So if you have something polished like this, or even more, this is kind of, I mean, it's polished, but it's not super nice, but you could polish it even more. And if you scratch it, that's what you're gonna end up with. So be very careful when you're testing. And let's do the back as well. And I could probably, if it's a real thing, I could probably polish that away later. Should be polishable. I don't think that's going to be a problem. And that's, by the way, one of the reasons when you, even if I were to put acid on this thing, if you're putting acid, don't put it inside there because it's very hard to polish inside. Putting acid, put it here and you can try to polish it away after. Again, it's not always going to work 100%, but it gives you a good chance of doing it. All right, let's go ahead and do our 18 karat acid and see what we have here. We'll do one drop on the first mark. Oh, that's turning, it's a bit of blue and a bit of green. Doesn't look like a real thing. Okay, so that's nice. Oh wow, that's nice and blue. And the tail is green. Okay, all right, so here is what I would say here. Let's just zoom in. Okay, so this looks blue and green. This looks blue and green. This looks mostly blue, but see how it's eaten a lot? So you have like a dark aureole around this, and you have blue inside, and then you have silver around. So that's a very good indication, in my opinion, that that's plated, because it ate most of the metal around, whatever was there. The silver got in the center, and then some of the pieces of the scratch still left around. So this is a very good indicator, definitely not silver. I mean, the middle piece inside is silver, but the rest of it, you see how it's got eaten around? So I would say that this spoon definitely plated. It's not a real thing, but it's plated. So if you're looking for a plated piece, there you go. This is a very nice piece. Look at this design, very nice. I have seen similar designs on the real pieces and it looks amazing, of course. There we go. That's how it's looking on this side here. And let's just take a look at the back as well. There we go. Again, the scratch should be polishable away. If this would be a real piece, I would probably polish it away. What's written in the back, in the back side. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, share with everyone, and I'll talk to you in the next one.